can you get free credit on your Lim app? We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, sorry, you click on this sign here, then you click here on get free credits here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So then here to get your free credits, you just get this code here and share it with your friends. When your friends enter to apps, then can you get your free credit on your Lim app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.